This is Free Talk Business 1, Lesson 12, Review. How to Learn from Warren Buffett. Hi, Mike. I heard you were talking about Warren Buffett this morning. Do you like his advice? Yes, Aiko, I think his advice is extraordinary. He's not just rich, he's also very wise. What kind of advice does he give? He often talks about the basics, like being honest, reading a lot, and staying patient. That sounds simple, but smart. Exactly. He also says we should associate with people who are better than us. I like that. So be careful who you spend time with. Yes, he believes good values can transmit from one person to another, like how kindness or hard work can spread. That's interesting. I usually try to be kind, but I never thought of how it can transmit to others. And Buffett says we shouldn't rush success, but we can fail swiftly, learn, and try again. I see. So don't be afraid of failing fast. Right. Just keep learning and improving. That's how Buffett built his success. Thanks, Mike. I think I'll read more about him. Great idea. His lessons are good for life, not just for making money. Okay, thank you very much.